It comes from North America. It was used by the Indians as food and medicine. This is the Aronia berry. After the Chernobyl explosion, Aronia was used to mitigate the effects of radiation, which was more than successful, and is still used today. As an antioxidant, Aronia prevents the formation of free radicals and its attack on healthy cells in the body and blood plasma, slows down the aging process in the body and prevents the development of chronic diseases. According to Organic standards, chokeberry has the highest antioxidant activity of all berries and nuts. It is rich in antioxidants, flavonoids, trace minerals, folic acid and vitamins B, C and E. Due to its high content of antioxidants and vitamins C and E, Aronia has anti-inflammatory, antiviral and antibacterial properties. Learn more about the benefits of Aronia berries below. Strengthens blood vessels and improves circulation. Aronia berries are also known to improve the circulation of blood, make blood vessels stronger, and reduce the risk of heart disease. Free radicals are the true cause of various diseases in the body, and Aronia berries can prevent formation of these radicals, thus preventing diseases such as diabetes and other cardiovascular diseases. Mature Aronia fruits contain a large amount of phenols, which disinfect the bloodstream and the body, promotes healing of wounds, removing toxic substances from the body, reduce inflammation, improves elasticity of blood vessels and prevent their clogging. Prevention and help in treatment of diabetes. There have been a number of studies analyzing how Aronia berries affect people with diabetes. One of them concluded that consumption of the super berries would not increase blood sugar levels, and it can even lower them. Aronia can be very beneficial for people who want to prevent diabetes, and it can also help people manage diabetes-associated conditions. Another study found that Aronia juice without sugar added was a valuable adjunct to treating patients with diabetes. Oxidative stress. Chokeberry may be useful in treating conditions related to oxidative stress. Oxidative stress occurs when unstable molecules called free radicals overwhelm the body's defense against their harmful effects. Free radicals can damage your DNA, which may contribute to the development of many diseases, including cancer, heart disease, diabetes, stroke, and other conditions. Scientists evaluated 13 studies, finding that chokeberry's mixture of procyanidins, anthocyanins, and phenolic acids constitutes one of the most potent natural antioxidants. Boost immunity. While the antioxidants get most of the attention in chokeberries, there is also a significant amount of vitamin C, which stimulates the activity of white blood cells and is also a crucial component in the production of collagen. Collagen is integral to the growth and repair of new tissues, organs, blood vessels, and cells, while white blood cells function as the front lines of the body's immune response. Anti-carcinogenic effect. The effect of the black-colored berries on cancer is it's known to be rather effective, especially for those suffering from colon cancer. A study conducted in 2003 showed that the berry provided a natural defense to fight against colon cancer. The article, "Darker Fruits Could Fight Cancer," discusses the findings of researchers at Ohio State University who found that darker fruits and berries could fight cancer. The Aronia berry or chokeberry is mentioned in the article. Anthocyanin pigments obtained from black carrots and radishes slow the growth of cancer cells by between 50 to 80%. Also read the Aronia juice recipe to boost your immunity on our website. The link is in the video description. Support us with like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.